Gagawa namin ng machine yung grade 1.
Yung brain ko.
Mahaba. And,
It will be in more.
Sige na, nakakalindi na. Ulit-ulit.
o sige na.
Feels
Conceptualize na tayo bago later, Joya, pa magbigay ng
Isang mahabang ano lang. Joke lang. Isang
Kaya, di ba naman from China? Diretso lang naman yun.
I-calculate lang natin, 9.8 yung gravity. Medyo nakatip ng gano'n, 9.8 meters per second. So, therefore...
Ano na? Okay, so
20 times
conceptualize na
9.8.
tayo.
Mga gano'n, 980, 180. 180 meters.
Dapat yung pag-release is consistent, hindi
Wait, is it-
kamay.
Pag ininto ka,
May machine talaga.
It
was fun.
Tagal yun. Pero,
oh, like a string. You can pull it.
hindi yung...
Does anyone have any ideas of what we should do?
I think it's better if
We get the materials.
Yeah, para we have a initial idea.
But Kuya always makes us do it this way, so we mess up.
At feeling ko
If you don't have the
talaga...
materials, you don't know what you're doing.
Exactly, right? Di ba, like sa floaters natin, parang nalaman lang natin at the very end, parang, wait.
At feeling ko yung
Pwede nang kunin ang mga gamit sa storage.
Thank you, Kuya! Start na!
2 days lang po.
Yeah, hopeless face.
We found love and a hopeless day. We found love.
Song for the week. Oh my God! So, gonna be big.
Oh my gosh!
Big talaga.
Pwede tayong gagamit lang kahit anong bola.
Wow! Go
Wow! Ito pinakamaganda.
Wow, tama. Ito lahat, gamitin natin yan.
Sobrang...
No, that's hard. This is super hard. Hey guys! Don't pick this up.
Lahat, gamitin natin.
Heavy!
Ay, yung ending dito katama yung bola.
Feeling ko.
Or dito.
Put it inside.
Back to me!
Wood glue. Kuya?
Gusto daw mo
Ano yung disenyo?
Ah, okay.